Hi guys, welcome back. So today we've got this 8V.2 S3 in for a Milltek GPF-back exhaust system. But before we get into it, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, also the notification bell, and then you won't miss any of our videos. So this particular car comes from the factory with a GPF. So compared to the cars that came before it without a GPF, they're a lot quieter, and also the tone's a bit flat as well. So GPF is basically a Gasoline Particulate Filter. So it's new sort of like emission regulations that basically puts the GPF in the exhaust. It's extremely restrictive. That's why you get a lot less sound with this car. So yeah, so installing the Milltek exhaust system, so it's GPF-back, we'll get that fitted and then show you the standard exhaust sounds also compared to the Milltek exhaust sounds a little bit later on. So hope you enjoy. Okay, so we're in the workshop. We've removed the standard catback exhaust system, or GPF-back rather, on this particular car. So we've got the resonated Milltek exhaust system laid out here in front of us, so we're just going to walk you through it. So the first part, which joins up to the GPF, you've got the resonated center section, and then joining up to that you've got the valved backbox, which then leads to the polished tips here. So these are some slash cut tips, so a nice upgrade compared to the standard tips, which are like the overly kind of shape. Yeah, so we're going to get this all fitted and then show you what it sounds like and let us know what you think. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, then please give us a thumbs up. If you'd like to watch other videos of ours that YouTube thinks you'll like, then click up here. If you'd like to watch some other videos that we have in the same playlist, then click here. And obviously if you enjoyed the video, then we really appreciate if you gave us a subscription. And then obviously you'll be updated when other videos of ours go live, and you can do that quite easily by clicking here. Hope to see you soon.